Hello sparkle lovers, welcome back to the WIP Olympics. It is the week 2 roundup, and yes, we have some changes here. So this week, this was the winner of the last week's roundup. It came about to work on most of the times than any other week. The WIP, it has the first place. Now I forgot to mention that if you don't know what WIP stands for, because you're new to diamond painting, it stands for work in progress. I have 5 going on at the same time, and every time I'm choosing which one to work on with the wheel. So I give 1 point to every WIP that was on the wheel to be worked on that day. So the last week we had this as a winner. It had 2 days, I think. Yes, 2 days. This week didn't come out at all, so I have nothing new to show you here. We are still on her neck. I have 2 and 1/3 of a row left to finish it, and it should go faster now because we have on this lower place we have a lot of color blocking. So if on the 3rd week the wheel decides that I have to work on it, I will for surely finish this first row, this row, and I don't know, depends on the mood and the time I have in my hands, if I will continue to the pre-last row. So yes, for this week with 0 points, 0 time worked on is the Gilded Serenity. 3rd and 4th place there is a tie. We have 1 point each. This is the Echoes of Spring. This is very confetti heavy, but I'm very glad that I managed. It's 50 by 70, and I'm very glad I managed to finish the first row. It has a lot of ABs on it, it has a lot of cupid dust, and it is very confetti heavy, so it goes pretty slowly. Nevertheless, I managed to complete 1 row, not in 1 week, because we had it last week too, but I'm very happy about it, that 1 row is done, because it means that the next row it will be, I will start on her face, I will do her eyes, her eyebrows, her hair, and I really want to see how that will look, and I worked on it. Where is she? 5 hours and 17 minutes. And as I said before, again with 1 point this week is the Dance of the Cherry Blossoms. I wanted to finish the first row, but I wasn't able to because I got too tired. I think I did these 2, yes, I did these 2 sections. This first row, it's very confetti heavy. The rest is not that much, but this first row is very confetti heavy, so it was going pretty slowly. And I was pretty tired, so I couldn't do the last row. We will do it next time. It is on the schedule to be worked on, and I spent on it this week 5 hours and 3 minutes. second place with 2 points is the Enchanted Funky Grove. I really love how it's coming out. I really love how it highlights, how the colors highlight here, this part. The special placement, the special drill placement is amazing. We have a lot of pewter gray ABs here on the trees, but because it is fairy dust, cupid dust, sorry, trademark cupid dust, it looks like silver and it looks very nice. And we also have lots of ABs here on the background and on the cap of the mushroom, and some peppered in the spores behind, underneath the cap of this place. We also have a lot of cupid dust, and I really enjoy working on it. So yes, in 2 days I did this section here and all that part. I really enjoyed working on it. Because I love these colors. Generally red is my color. I don't have love and hate color, but when the colors are bright, it's much more fun to work on, apparently. So I worked the first day only 1 hour and 47 minutes, and the second day I worked 5 hours and 46 minutes on it. So we have approximately 7 hours, 7.5 hours on this canvas for this week. I think the next row, yes, the next half row is the half mark of the painting. So doing the entire row that will be approximately here, it will be over the half. The half mark will be, that means when I am in the middle of this section of the next row. So yay! Maybe, just maybe, I will manage to finish one this month. And on the first place with 3 days, with 3 points is the Dog of Butterflies. Now, this came out three times. And I was on this row. So I did all of this row and this in 2 days. Because the third day, I didn't have much time. Because I was out all day and I was very tired too. So I decided the third day to work on my special project, which is this little landscape one. And I spent 2.5 hours in this project. And I worked on Dog of Butterflies the first day for 5 hours and 39 minutes. And the second day for 6 hours and 34 minutes. You can tell how much I was enjoying doing that. I really wish I had the stamina to work on this section too, so I can have his pretty face almost complete, but it will happen next time he will come around. And yes, I'm really positive that this one will finish in the month of July. Maybe, probably. We will see. The wheel will tell. But if the wheel keeps deciding on the heavy confetti ones, yes, we might have only this finished special project for the month of July. But we will see. We will see what happens. So, yes, that was the weekly roundup. The big winner was the Dog of Butterflies. I love the crystals on this, and the ABs, and the fairy dust. I don't know if you can see them, these blueberry crystals, the cranberry crystals that are sprinkled all around. for sure you can see the gold ones. And yes, today starts a new week, so we calculate again from the start and we will see how it goes. Now I got lazy and I wasn't posting every day the short with the WIP of the day, what do they will choose for the day. Let me know in the comments if it's something that interests you or if you want it implemented on the weekly roundup. And we will see. I will see how I will do it. It depends on how busy I am, I guess. And yeah. So until next week, this was the weekly roundup for the week 2 of WIP Olympics. If you like this video, if you like this idea, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and the little bell icon so you will get notifications for the future videos. I'm not doing only the WIP Olympics, I also do unboxings of our kits. All the details will be found in the description down below. Just as a reminder, the new release is coming July 20. And we have some beautiful kits, including the coffee spring you already see, and I have already uploaded the unboxing video for it. Until next time, don't forget to shine. Bye bye.